My dear students of class 5B, welcome to my GK class. Today I shall teach you about the lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 means unit number 1. I shall discuss about unusual plants, unusual planets. What is unusual planets? I am going to discuss. Unusual planets. Here something is written in the blackboard, please look at it. Unusual planets. Now what are unusual planets? Look at your book. These are the unusual planets. Number 1, what is this? Here it is written, here some pictures are depicted in your book, please look at it. Open at page number 7. Open at page 7. One picture is there, picture number 1. At picture number 1, something is drawn, something is depicted. What is it? It is depicted. What is it? It is unusual plant. These are unusual plants. What is the name of it? The name of this plant is Venatrep. Means it is Dinosia, means Venus flytrap. Dinosia means Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap. And second one, in picture number 2, another thing is there. What is the name of it? It is the name of also unusual plants. It is the name also unusual plants. What is the name of it? Name is Drosera, means sundew. Drosera, the name of this plant is sundew, means Drosera. And third one, what is the name of it? Third one, this is also unusual plants. This unusual plant's name is, Nepenthes, means pitcher plant. Nepenthes means pitcher plant. Then picture number 4, what is it? In picture number 4, it is, you see picture number 4. What is this? Picture number 4, what is this? This is also unusual planet. Picture number 4, this is also unusual planet and name Ceramensenia, means trumpet pitcher. And in picture number 5, these plants, this is also unusual plants. This unusual plant's name is, in picture number 5, the unusual plant's name is bladder oat, and last of all, it is another one, picture number 6, another one, that is butter oat. These are the names unacquainted to us because these unusual plants are available in abroad, not in our country. That's why its names are not familiar with us. It is not familiar. It is unfamiliar to us. And next one, I am going to discuss about some flightless birds. What is the name of it? The national bird of New Zealand. What is the name of the national bird of New Zealand? The name of the national bird of New Zealand is Kiwi. Kiwi is the name of the national bird of New Zealand. And next one, the smallest flightless bird in the world. What is the name of the smallest flightless bird in the world? The smallest flightless bird in the world's name is Inaccessible Island Rail. These names are given by the foreign countries, officials of the foreign countries or environment lovers of foreign countries. That's why these names also are not familiar to us. And next one, another one, that is in picture number 3, you see native native to the Galapagos Island. Native to the Galapagos Island. What is the name of it? Native to the Galapagos Island. Native to the Galapagos Island. In page number 6, you see native to the Galapagos Island. Open at page 6 and find out the correct answer. What is it? Native to the Galapagos Islands, that is flightless cormorant. Flightless cormorant. And in picture number 4, come to picture number 4. What is about it? In picture number 4, one picture of a bird is there. What is it? It can dive deeper than any other bird. Here there is a picture of this bird. The name of this bird is emperor penguin. Emperor penguin. In picture number 5, the largest flightless parrot. The largest flightless parrot. Now you look at picture number 5 and see what is the largest emperor parrot. The largest emperor parrot. What is the name of it? Kakapo. Kakapo is the name of the largest parrot of the world. The largest parrot of the world, Kakapo. And next one, the second largest bird and native to Australia. The second largest bird and native to Australia is emu. Picture number 6, no, first 6, then 7. First 6, the largest bird in the world, that is ostrich. The largest bird in the world, here is the picture of ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world, ostrich. In picture number 7, the second largest bird and native to Australia, that is emu. Open at page number 6. You see, what is the name of it? The second largest bird, the second largest bird and native to Australia, known as emu. Then in picture number 8, it is a picture also is given here. Native of the New Guinea and most cloudy. Native of Guinea and most cloudy. That is, what is the name of this? The name of this bird is a native to New Guinea and most closely related to emu. What is the name of this bird? The name of this, open at page 6 and see the name of this bird is. The name of this bird is crosswary. Crosswary. Now come to serial number 9. Serial number 9, you see a large legged flightless bird of South America. What is the name of it? Large legged flightless bird of South America. Serial number 9, you see. What is the answer is? The answer is, in serial number 9, the answer is Saiga. Answer is Saiga. The answer is Greater Rhea, not Saiga. Greater Rhea. And next 10. Serial number 10, you see the shape of bird. In serial number 10, this is an extinct flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is dodo. And last of all, in serial number 11, the flightless bird indigenous to New Zealand was thought to be extinct, but its South Island species are rediscovered. What is the name of this bird? Serial number 11, open page 6, find out the answer. The name of this bird is Takahe. The name of this bird is Takahe. Serial number 11, the name of this bird is Takahe. It is the flightless bird indigenous to New Zealand, was thought to be extinct by these South Island species are rediscovered. The name of this bird is Takahe. So these are the points, my dear students, I taught you. But two things you have to keep in your mind. Number one, points and the subject matter, whatever is being taught to you, you have to keep it in your mind so that you can explain, you can write both two types of questions, answers, short and descriptive. Short question is for you, you have to make only one line answer. Descriptive question is for you, maximum 4 or 5 lines you can write. But whatever you write, you must write it by thinking, by gaining knowledge, by reading your books. Don't depend on your imagination. You have to study well, you have to read out your book properly, you have to attend live classes properly, you have to attend online classes properly, so that you can gain knowledge, but not guess, but can gain knowledge and apply it while attempting questions. That's why, my dear students, GK, this class is very important to you. It's not so easy, not so hard. What is needed most is your attention, is your sincerity, is your dedication. So, if you work hard, study well, then you will be able to learn so many unknown things of the world and keep it in your mind, and as soon as you will be asked, you will be able to answer prominently and correctly and score good marks in this subject. You will be able to secure grade A. That's why, my dear students, each and every lesson is important for you. Another point that is also important for you, that is some birds, national birds of different countries of Asia. Some national birds are there of different countries of Asia. Number one, Bangladesh. Here it is written Bangladesh. Some answers are given here. That is here the name of this bird. The picture of that bird, national bird of Bangladesh, is depicted here. You have to find out the correct answer. What is the correct answer of it? It is Magpie robin is the national bird of Bangladesh. Second, Bhutan. What is the national bird of Bhutan? Here it is, many answers are given. You have to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is raven. Raven is the national bird of Bhutan. Number 3, China. The picture of their national bird is depicted in the book. You have to find out the name from here. Some names are there. The correct name of this bird is red-crowned crane. Red-crowned crane is the national bird of China. Number 4, Iran. Here is the picture of their national bird. Now you have to find out the correct name. What is the name of it? That is common nightingale. Common nightingale is the national bird of Iran. Number 5, Maldives. Maldives, that is one. Maldives, oriental turtle dove is the national bird of Maldives. And next one, Pakistan. Pakistan, that is chukar partridge is the national bird of Pakistan. And last of all, Nepal. What is the national bird of Nepal? The national bird of Nepal is Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal is the national bird of Nepal. And last of all, Myanmar. What is the national bird of Myanmar? Grey peacock pigeon. Grey peacock pigeon is the national bird of Myanmar. Grey peacock pigeon is the national bird of Nagaland. Up to this, my dear students, all of you, thank you. All of you, work hard, study well, and be a part of this class GK. Thank you, all of you.